So the engine is sitting in place. You see there's no motor mount bolt in down there or on the other side. But it is in place. I did it without removing the distributor, which was nice. So my timing and everything is set. I'll just got to set my quad on there. And since I'm pulling the gas tank, I won't be hooking up to the fuel lines and stuff here, because I pulled some water out of that tank and I know there's still got to be more left in it. So I'll get that. I've got new belts, new hoses for everything. I've just got to get into this mess back here, which I know it looks terrible, but hey, I've just kind of been bringing stuff home and packing it up here. I've got all the bolts back here. So they're a brand new starter. Right there, brand new starter bolts, because they had the wrong ones in it. They had these in there. There's the top of the radiator support. But the motor mount bolts are the ones I gotta find. And well, guess what? There's one right there. I'm sure the other one is right up underneath that starter. I get those two in, and then I can get the engine hoist unhooked, folded up, and set back over there in the corner. So I got some room to work. I've even got a couple of the bell housing bolts in it so far. So this thing should be together in short order. I say that now. It'll get done when it gets done. If you look down there, you can see it's still sitting on 16 degrees. So it's ready to go. And as I said, motor mount bolts in. So is the other one, which you can't even see because it's hidden. She's in. And I got to get those big long bolts out of there, because I use the rafters to lift up my hood so I don't have to pull the hood by myself, try to wrestle it around. And there's my make it yourself hood light, which, as you can see, lights up everything very nicely. So I will continue on hooking up this, that, and the other thing. The engine hoist is back over here, out of the way. It's time to get on with other stuff. Y'all have a good day. Like, share. Look at that, my hands are dirty. Share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell 12. And maybe next time I'll have something you'll be interested in. But probably the next one will be this thing firing off. Bye.